Alright now, how's it going there, YouTube? Today we're back here at this pile of locust wood, and you may have saw me bucking that up a week or so ago. I had a dull chain and it was blowing wind real hard. I just came in real quick and bucked some of this wood up. So today I'm back here. I want to get it split up. Now there was some beetles in one of those pieces. You can see probably there's one of them that's cracked up there. There was some beetles in it. I'm just talking about what's going on, but I'll have to throw that crap away, throw that beetle wood away. But the rest of all this stuff I'm going to get split up today and hurry up and get it drying. There is a little bit of a pile of a scrounger wood pile that I have down here that I'm also going to get split. I got scrounger wood all down through there, so I'll do a little bit of that scrounger wood and all this locust, and this is going to be with the new hyper split log splitter. So I'll get you guys set up somewhere where you can see the action happening, and we're going to do a little splitting here now. So stay tuned. Go ahead, hit that subscribe button, ring the bell if you want to. If you subscribe, make sure you watch some damn videos. Thanks a lot, and we'll be right back with you. Okay, I got that wood pretty well cut up now, and I made a makeshift pallet out of this oak log here. I'm just kind of trying to keep it up out of the rain and the mud and everything. There's a little bit more to split over here, just a few rounds, I don't know, whatever, 20, 30 rounds, whatever it is. I'm gonna go ahead and get that stuff split up the rest of the way. If I find anything weird or unusual, I'll sign back on and show you guys, but it's pretty normal splitting. I'm gonna go ahead and get through it. It's spitting snow a little bit on me too today now, but nothing really crazy going on for the moment. I'm gonna finish splitting up this locust wood and a few pieces of scrounger wood over there, and I'll check back in when I'm done and show you guys the pile. I finished bucking up that locust wood, and I got a nice little pile. You can see what I did with it there. I kind of used that those oak stumps as a little pallet, whatever, keep it up off the ground. Now there was a little bit of scrounger wood, and I split that scrounger wood up too. It's not too bad. It's some pretty dry burning wood. Not real sure what it is. It looked like oak, but it doesn't smell like oak, didn't split like oak. Anyways, I'm really liking the Hyper Split log splitter. It sips the gas. I've been out here all day. It's getting ready to be dark, and it had a half a tank in it, and I filled it up one time, and it's been going. It did all of that wood in my truck from the last video and all of this locust wood here. So far I'm really liking that thing. I just like the feel of it. It's strong, it's got a good beam on it, it sips the gas, it's fast, so I'm really liking it. It's a little bit lighter than my other one too. Anyways, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed that little bit of splitting there now, and it is freezing cold out here, and it's about to get dark, so I will check in with you guys next time. You guys check in with me next time, however you want to say that, whatever you want to do. We'll check in with each other next time now. See you later.